Magic Bullet Blender, Review. Small, silver, 11-piece set. Are you looking for small size blender to make everything from juices, shakes, and smoothies, to salsa and soup, with ease? Small size blender, by Magic Bullet, is a popular blender to effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Does it all. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more, all with a simple twist of the wrist. 11-piece blender set includes blender, additional blender cups, blades, and recipe guide to help you make quick, easy, and delicious dishes, from appetizers to desserts. Committed to efficiency. The secret to the Magic Bullet's time-saving efficiency is its specially designed blade and unique bullet shape that quickly and forcefully circulate food back into the cyclonic cutting zone, helping the Magic Bullet to prepare virtually any food in seconds. Easy to use. With 250 watts of power, the small-size mixer is not only faster and stronger, but just as simple to use. Load your ingredients into the cup, twist on the blade, line up the tabs, and place on the power base. Take your treats on the go, with the convenient, flip-top, 2-go lid. Handy, versatile, and efficient design. Simple, and intuitive design, makes this a device easy to use every day. Just push, twist, and blend. The Magic Bullet Blender takes up minimal counter space, while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. User-friendly, and hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. The cups are top rack dishwasher safe. Based on over 24,550 customer reviews, and an overall 4.4-star rating on Amazon. Small size blender, by Magic Bullet, is your personal kitchen assistant to effortlessly make your favorite salsas, milkshakes, and smoothies. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Easily, best single juicer on the market. Easily, best single juicer on the market. Around this price point, of course. I have been using it for 1 week. It is exact the same as my old Magic Bullet juicer, except my old one has 2 medium cups, plus 1 large cup, with the tiny blender cup. Other than that, the blade, motor, functionality, is perfect for a daily juicer. I highly recommend not to overstuff the cup, as if you do, it will leak. Fill it up to 80% to the cup, and it will do the trick. And also don't let it run more than 20 to 30 seconds, continuously. Says Kaya. 5 stars. Buy it. Buy it. That's all I have to say, but this is a review after all. So let me tell you why. 1. It's powerful. Grinds ice like butter, and evenly mixes ingredients in seconds. 2. No mess. The cleaning process is very simple. The cup secures tightly to the blender piece to keep any ingredients from escaping while in use. After you're done, simply unscrew and wash both pieces, or put them in the dishwasher. The bottom half does not get dirt whatsoever. 3. Using this as a bachelor, the size is perfect. However, if you are buying this for a family, or serving drinks at a party, it will likely be too small. This is my first blender, and wow, it was worth it. For less than $35, this is the highest quality blender you can buy for the price. Says Tyler. 5 stars. We use it every day. Love those smoothies fast. Easy to clean. We absolutely love this little wonder. My entire family uses it daily. We love smoothies and salsa. Just drop a few bananas, strawberries and yogurt or milk, and ice, and it's deliciousness in seconds. It works great, and it's safe for all ages. I highly recommend it. Great price too. It's the original invention. Love it. Says M. Ruiz. 5 stars. Great personal blender. We use this every day for protein shakes. I add frozen bananas, frozen berries, or ice to thicken up my shakes, and it blends them perfectly. Absolutely no frozen chunks left. The base is easy to wipe clean, but if you don't overfill and you put the blade on correctly, nothing will get on the base. The container is dishwasher safe. The blade is hand wash only. Says Shelly Houston. 3 stars. Okay. If you just want to make a smoothie with no ice, this will work for you. But I bought this for milkshakes, and smoothies. But, it does not break up the ice, at all. I even used frozen fruits, and it didn't work for that either. Very disappointed. Says Leslie Mercado. 1 star. Can't crush ice? I specifically bought this, because it claims to blend anything, in 30 seconds. I blended this shake, for almost 5 minutes, and still had these huge chunks. And, a ton of smaller ones. I am using this, in a work break room, and the noise is, so disruptive. I had a $15 blender, that worked better, than this one. Says Haley. Buy it, on Amazon, today. Click the link, in the description.